Hello guys, I'm Yang from Shining 3D. It is with great enthusiasm that we welcome you to a momentous occasion, an exclusive webinar where the future of 3D scanning technology unfolds before your eyes. Today, we are delighted to introduce the latest iteration of our software, a testament to our unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation. Prepare to be captivated as we delve into the heart of this update, which brings forth a host of revolutionary features designed to reshape your 3D scanning experience. From real-time mesh generation to more user-friendly updates, our new software is posed to redefine the way you approach 3D scanning challenges. Throughout this webinar, we'll guide you through the intricacies of each enhancement, shedding light on how these advancements will empower you to achieve more, create more, and ultimately surpass your expectations. Are you ready for cutting-edge software updates that will take your scanning experience to the next level? In this webinar, I'm going to show you some news for our software, FreeScan version 2.0. There are some of the main updates for our new version. These updates include models that cover the entire FreeScan product line, including FreeScan Combo, FreeScan UE Pro, and FreeScan UE. We will dive into the exciting updates that will revolutionize the way you scan. Let's explore these enhancements in detail with FreeScan Combo. One of the most significant updates in our latest version is the support for real-time mesh scanning. This feature significantly enhances data quality by controlling noise, improving data quality, and enhancing the scanning experience. With real-time mesh scanning, you can now save your valuable time as it reduces the need for point cloud to mesh processing. And after scanning, STL file can be saved directly, or you can still choose to mesh the data. We provide two mesh options, mesh processing and mesh optimization. You can use the mesh optimization if you find a slight misalignment on the data. It will optimize the data first, using the global markers and then do the mesh. Else, we suggest mesh processing directly. Additionally, the scanning results can be displayed in multiple ways just by using the right-click menu. Such as triangles, wireframe point cloud data, or the combination of triangles and wireframes. Excitingly, you can also save the scan as a point cloud file for future reference or analysis. This update truly empowers you to capture precise and detailed scan effortlessly. Next is to set the point distance directly in the scanning interface. This eliminates the need to go back to a project creation stage when you want to change the point distance after completing the scan. As we can see, point distance can be changed by the slider. Also, the range of point distance has been expanded, with the highest point distance setting now at 10 mm. After choosing the proper distance, just press confirm and then the whole project will change to that resolution. Even if you have already completed the scan, you can still adjust the point distance, and the scanned data will automatically adapt to the new settings. You might lose some data when you apply for a smaller point distance, but you can continue to scan in order to get complete data. In the meantime, to help you access the completeness of your scan data, we have introduced the data quality indicator in laser mode. When the function is enabled, the scan data is color-coded, with blue indicating complete data and yellow indicating areas that require further scanning. Data quality indicator also changed for IR mode of combo. The former version uses red for totally not complete scan data, and yellow for still need scan, and green means enough data. This enhancement provides a better visual representation of the scan data's integrity, assisting you in making informed decisions regarding the need for additional scans. With the quality chromatic mapping feature, you can ensure that your scan data is comprehensive and accurate. Furthermore, the cutting plan can be saved within the markers file, along with the marker data. This eliminates the need for users to recreate a cutting plane when using the same marker file. This feature provides beneficial when inspecting similar objects multiple times and needing to exclude data from specific regions. Simply create a cutting plane, save both the marker file and the cutting plane. And the next time you import the file, the cutting plane will already be available. Make a cutting plane file, then save the P3 file. Then we can choose whether to save the cutting plane or not. Also, the new version uses a laser line color to indicate the scanning distance. With this enhancement, the color of the laser line corresponds to the proximity of the scanned object. Red for too close, green for optimal distance, and blue for too far. This visual representation helps you intuitively control the appropriate working distance during the scan. You can switch back to the previous display style in the settings, which includes a distance bar on the left side of the scanning interface and a color indication similar to the new version. Click the gear on the right top and then we can see scanning distance indication method. The scanning distance indicator is a previous distance bar, and the laser line indicator is our new mode. You can select the one you prefer.
If you need to use online to get full scan data, and the markers online works not well, you can use manual markers alignment now. Select at least 3 common markers. And then you can get full scan data.
In addition, for our latest version, you can open the scanning software without the need for dongle. However, without the dongle, you will only have access to the post-processing and measurement modules. Scanning still requires the presence of the dongle. This update provides added convenience for situations where you need to view data or perform post-processing and measurement tasks without the dongle. Also, there are some updates for user experience. For calibration parts, it takes less time to start and calculate calibration. Calibration process becomes smoother, and there will be a warning on the navigation bar if calibration hasn't been done after 14 days. Forget the worries of inaccurate calibrations affecting your results. Our software now provides proactive warnings alerting you to potential calibration issues before they impact your scans. This preventive measure is a game changer, eliminating guesswork and ensuring your scans are based on a solid foundation. It's a small detail with significant implications for the reliability of your 3D scanning endeavors. For scanner buttons parts, now long press the left or right button have new functions. Long pressing the left button can change scan mode from scan mesh to scan global markers and also photogrammetry, UE Pro only. Long pressing the right button can change the object from normal to reflective, added convenience for you to work away from the computer. For data editing tool, we've updated a lot. In the past version, the selected point cloud data will be unselected if we change to markers editing. Now that won't happen. So we can select data and markers all together and then delete them all. And before we apply edit, we can change to markers edit or mesh edit. No need to apply many times. After deleting, there are no limits for undo and redo. You can undo till nothing was deleted and redo step by step. For settings, there are more things we can customize. Preview can be closed. Scanner tone volume can be selected. Two scanning distance indications can be selected, and the laser line can be projected or not when no data is recognized. The last thing is the integration of 4 additional languages: Spanish, Polish, Turkish, and French. Language is not just a means of communication, it's a gateway to inclusivity and accessibility. With this update, we extend a warm welcome to users from diverse linguistic backgrounds, ensuring that our software speaks to you in your preferred language.
In Help part, you can see scanner name, serial number, calibration board number, and current software version on About side. When clicking System Diagnose, it will run Diagnose automatically to check the running environment. If something's wrong, you can see an explanation point on that part. And when you fix that problem, you can click Refresh to check whether it's ready to start scanning. No matter when you have questions, you can press Support to see the menu or submit that ticket by this button, and use the inbuilt team viewer to launch a remote help.
That's all what we have updated at FreeScan V2.0. We hope these software updates bring excitement and convenience to a scanning experience. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to unleash the full potential of your scanning projects. If you have suggestions or feedback for the new software, please contact us at the Metrology support at shining3d.com.